Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Michael of Loveland. I've had an insurance company for about 5 years now. I was forced to file a weather-related claim after the storm. My siding ripped at all corners of the house, and somehow my kitchen floor fell about a half an inch. They told me that the floor happened because of several years of deterioration. My home was built brand new in 2008. They refused to repair the siding on the left side of the house, and they said they would repair the right and the gutters, but it's less than my deductible. Of course, right? I see this all the time, like, oh yeah, we'll cover this, we'll cover that. Oh, and magically, you have $1,000 deductible and it's $998.72. Oh, so close, Mr. and Mrs. Homeowner. So close, Mr. and Mrs. Commercial Property Owner. So close, you're so close. I'm sorry, we can't pay anything. Yeah, right? It happens, trust me, I see it all the time. Let's see, I got an estimate for $4,700 for repairs to the right side and gutters, and my deductible is $2,500. That $2,200 difference would have helped me a great deal. Something doesn't add up with this company. Time to find different insurance. Well, this is the deal. You can find different insurance. But before you do that, what you want to do is you want to get the insurance company that owes for the damage that you have sustained at your property to pay for that damage, and make sure that you have the right things taken care of, because the new insurance company, okay, might come out and be like, well, we would insure you, except for you still have all this damage that isn't fixed yet. And when you fix it, then we'll insure you. I actually have a commercial broker right now trying to sell a multi-million-dollar property. The buyer came and said, well, we want the roof replaced because there's obvious hail damage to the roof. Very large commercial building. Most commercial property owners do not make claims because it's not leaking. Just because it's not leaking doesn't mean you don't have damage, okay? So, with that said, commercial broker trying to sell the property, buyer comes and says, well, we did our inspection, the roof needs to be replaced. Now, that storm was from a few years ago, outside of the coverage for the policy period, and the seller is gonna have to pay upwards of $1 million, over $1 million for this roof to get replaced to be able to sell the property, or negotiate that price down, so take a loss on the property. That is a huge loss, okay? And what I'm getting to is this, is the property owner should have someone like us that can come take a look at the property and have a hail alert system. So our clients are put on what's called a hail alert system, that when it hails their property, we're notified. And then we can go take a look at the property and say, hey, this was half-inch hail, it didn't do any damage to the property, you don't need to make a claim. Or this was 2.5-inch hail, it did a ton of damage to the property, you need to make a claim, and let's do it now, okay? This commercial property owner did not have somebody like that. And now they're gonna take a huge loss, one way or the other, on their property because the roof was not repaired or replaced under the insurance policy at the time of the damage, because the roof wasn't leaking. Well, the roof wasn't leaking. Yeah, that might be the case. It depends on the roofing system that you have, but you still have damage that is covered under your policy that should get repaired or replaced based on that damage and the coverage that you have in your policy, okay? Don't wait too long. Don't let an insurance company get away with not fixing your property for legitimate hail damage, storm damage, fire damage, whatever it might be. Contact us today. Bellator Claims Resolution. BellatorClaims.com is our website. BellatorClaims.com. Contact us today.